All right, Jane box breaks 10:43 p.m. Eastern Time on the 18th of March. Breaking 2 boxes of 2017 Donruss from Michael. Good luck, bud. Hope you hit big. I'm going to jump these real quick. Have you seen any of this yet, Michael? Have you watched any or no? Couple SPs per box. I'll call them out for you. Pink backs, blue backs. Hey, we're looking for. We only hit Swanson, man. That's the only big rookie we've hit in this whole case. Every case has been hitting 3 or 4 of the big guys like Bregman, Benintendi. So you got a good shot. Moncada. You definitely have a good shot at it. We only got a Swanson. That's the only big rookie we got, which is weird because we've been hitting 4 or 5 a case. Probably Rick and Michael usually has pretty good luck with me. Michael, you still doing card shows or no? You know, rookie better than Swanson. Benintendi's way better than Swanson, and Bregman's going to be the next Chris Bryant, John. You wait for Bregman, he's going to be better than Chris Bryant. His cards are going to spike. Nice. So you know the deal, Michael. Make a killing off these, just selling the singles. That's how Michael makes his money back on boxes. Puts them in a 25-cent boxes. That's what you do. Sell all the singles. Shut up, Rick. You've had plenty of good luck. You've definitely paid for it, but you've had plenty of good luck. You're just, the problem with yours, Rick, you're in every single break, dude. It's hard to give you good luck every break. Bregman's gonna be good, man. Nice, Michael. I made that today, selling my garage full of commons. I mean, it wasn't just commons. He got good stuff. I didn't really go through that collection. I just needed it going. Who's playing tonight, John? When's Villanova on again? I gotta look that up. I gotta start watching that. All right, buddy. Good luck. All right, we got a Madison Bumgarner to 500. Nova lost? No way. They just won. Are they really out of it? Shit. That pisses me off then. All right, Ryan Sandberg, SP. I had no clue. I haven't been paying attention, man. We got a cow. All right, that's not SP. Double check the backs, make sure they're good. Nice. Wisconsin, 65-62. They really lose? That sucks. Johnny Bench, number to 199. It shows I haven't been paying attention, man. They won the other night. That stinks, man, because they're supposed to go back. Is Temple or St. Joe's still in there? Are they out too? Mike Trout, number to 349. All right, first up, we're going to have J.D. Martinez. You should get 2 autos and 2 relics per, bud. Sometimes there is only 1 auto. It's always supposed to be 3 hits a box, but we've been getting 4. All the backs for you. All right. All right, Paul Goldschmidt, pink back. Nolan Ryan, SP. Benintendi, rookie. Nice, Benintendi's a blue back, SP. Yeah, Baylor's woman team is just ridiculous. Dude, Philly basketball is awesome for college. Nice hit. It's not the best signature world, but I appreciate it. Cespedes number to 500. It'll sell good. Not for a ton, but. Oh, selects suck, dude. All right, we got Steve Carlton. And you did the best, John. Nice. 1 of 15. Gold versions. There you go. Nice lefty. I love Steve Carlton. A lot of people don't care for him, but Philly greats. Not bad. I didn't think it was going to be gold. I thought it was going to be a base auto. There you go. 1 of 15. You didn't take that big of a bloodbath, John. You got the best rookie auto in the case. What are you talking about? You took a bloodbath. Cisco took a bloodbath. Freddie Freeman, number to 149. All the big teams took one. All the big teams took a big. That's why I don't break basketball, dude. I don't get good cases of basketball. Well, I mean, I don't break enough, so it's not that I don't get good ones. I don't break enough basketball. I mean, I've had some good cases. It's just I don't break enough of it. Rick's a case of crap. Just a brick of base cards, Rick. All right, next up we're going to have Cal, number to 500. That's not the case yet, John. Usually there's an out of 5 auto, dude. In mine, I got Sandberg out of 5. I hit somebody else out of 5, too. I don't remember who the hell it was. All right, Dave Winfield SP. I missed that one. Next up, you got Eric Hosmer, number to 999. And then you got the whammy insert, too, which we didn't get in the second case, which is crazy, but it's 1 per case. I got Trouty in my case. Sells for like $50. Didn't sell yet, but that's what it sells for. Brendan McKay, number to 999. No, I don't have any Topps personals, John. I don't get enough margin on Topps to do Topps personals. They don't give me any margin to make money off of them. Frank Thomas SP. So I'd have to charge way higher than retail. You might as well just buy the box yourself. Not gonna break even. I did all right, Matthew. I got a couple nice hits, nothing crazy. All right, we got Kyle Waldrop. Nice for the Reds, 41.99. Good prospect. Or good rookie, I should say. He's gonna be a rookie now. So not a bad first box. Carlton out of 15 and a Waldrop. For the ink. Could have been worse. Yeah, but John, I'd have to overcharge retail by a lot. You gotta factor in shipping and stuff too, man. That's the thing. Hobby stores don't do shipping. Starling Marte, Pinkback, and most boxes I'm paying $6. $6.50 to ship. Pops, Willie McCovey, SP. Like each box of these, well, if I'm doing 2, it's fine, but each box, the weight's over a pound. I got to ship it priority. Plus, then I got to give you all my supplies and my time. So it's not worth it on those. Panini, I can get close. All right, Clint Frazier, number to 199. What are you talking about, Rick? You didn't hit an Arceus Super. All right, yeah, make sure you give that to me, Michael. Fred hit the Arceus Super. You didn't get the Arceus Super. Fred got that. You weren't even in that break. You didn't take them. That's when I told you I got mad at you for not taking the Brewers. Odor. Texas. Oh, you bought it off of them? Nice, dude. What'd you pay? Mr. Sock in the face. All right, we got Darren McClown, number to 99 on the gold. And that's it for box one. Not too bad. Can only get better from here. What'd you pay, Rick? I'm just curious. Should have been yours. 100 pluses? What? $1,000 for the Arcia? You only paid $150 for that Arcia Super? What is Fred thinking? Easy $400 card. Easy. Oh well. I was dumb on his part. I wouldn't have taken less than 5 for that card, to be honest. I know it's the insert one, but still. Lucky you, dude. You definitely scored on that one. Oh. I was going to say. It's definitely close to 500 on that card. Chad. I can't believe no one bought. John, now that you're on the thread, what happened to that guy that went to buy that super off Chad? Why isn't he hitting up Chad to buy that? He was so gung-ho about paying $12.50 for it. Where's the money? I got Chad all excited and told him. Still a good deal. Orlando Arcia is going to be nice. See, that's what happens. He was all talking all that money, John, and then I pull it, and now he don't want to buy it. That's how these guys are, man. Talk all that game until you show them the card and get it in their face. Be like, boom, here it is. Where's my money? Well, this is super thick. Did we get a chicken? Oh, boy. Guess what we're going to get? We're going to get the... Maybe. We'll find out. I think we got you a chicken. It's the only thing I know that could be that thick. You just made out like a bandit, buddy. There's only 83 of them. Still not the case hit. I pull them every year. I get one of them. We're going to find out first, though. I want to see if we got the auto on. Yeah, they sell, dude. They're only numbered to 83. You get 80. There's 83 relics, 83 auto relics. That's it. And the whole product. And there's a lot of cases. He's hard, dude. Last year they were selling for $300. They're probably not selling that high this year. They're probably selling for like 50 to 100 this year. But last year they were selling for a couple $100. Yeah, this better be the chicken. It's got to be. It's the only thing I can think of that's... It's definitely the chicken. It's orange. Finally got the son of a bitch. I knew I was going to get him. Yep. Ryan Sandberg to 199. 11 of 83. It's not the auto, but it's still sick. I knew I was going to get him. Man, this thing's thick as hell. You know, I'm going to put this in a different case, man. This ain't going to fit in a top loader. I'll make sure it's protected for you, though. Congrats, man. That's the hard hit. The relic and the auto. Only 83 of each. I think there's one jumbo too. I think there's a jumbo relic of that too. I know there was last year. John, Topps does that too. Topps has mascot autos, so don't even sit here and bash Panini. Ozzie Smith, number 2, 149. That's why I'm not opening Topps opening day. It's corny. Nice, John. Yeah, chicken's tough, man. I get many SPs. All right. Yolander Mendez. I thought it was going to be Moncada. 26/99. Who cares? We got the chicken. Yeah, Topps opening day is corny. I won't touch that. And I'll be shipping you guys stickers. My distributor bugged me about that. I was like, dude, I ain't buying that. I'm just not a fan of it. I've never been. It's to me, it's a kid's product. That's definitely a kid's product. Opening day. The autos sell for like $10. It's like what, 300 for a whole case? It's like definitely for kids. Verlander, pink back, SP. No problem, John. Yeah, I busted my ass to get all your guys' cards out quick this week, so I wasn't stuck doing them all this weekend. Pete Rose, SP. Charlie Hustle. Pink back of Maeda. Yeah, I know they promote it as a kid's product. Exactly. That's why I won't break that. I was like, I'm not buying that. I never broke it, never will. All right, Johnny Bench, SP. The general. Mookie Betts, number 2. Can't even see it. 355. Yeah, it won't catch me touching that. Duke Snyder, SP. I bet you there's people breaking it though. Anthony Rizzo, number to 149. I mean, it's cheap. Don't get me wrong, but it's mostly just I think mascot autos and a couple guys in. What is it, like 10 guys on the checklist? No, John, that's just regular Topps. Topps update has to. You have to go to Toys R Us to buy them. The purple borders. That's just regular Topps. All right, Tony Gwynn on the pink back. Opening day don't have that. Opening day's got blasters at Walmart though. Cal Ripken, SP. Blue back of Orlando Arcia. It's up to you guys. You want to close out the case? Go ahead. I got one more case, but I think I'm going to do breaks with them. All right, you got Josh Donaldson, SP. Bring our rain. All right, next auto is coming up. Carson Fulmer, not too bad. Numbered 136 of 199. And he got the chicken. He didn't do too bad. Ew, there's like a dead fly in there. How did they get a top loader? I just opened that. Must have gotten packed. That's funny. All right, we got Glenn Auto to 149. You're taking the next 2, Rick, and then Michael, you're closing it? All right. Guess I'm going to be stuck here for a little bit doing some Donruss. Caught me in a good time. All right, Mookie Betts, number 2, 999. Shoot it over the payments, boys, and we'll figure out. Let Rick pick the next 2, and then you got the last one, Michael. Still no whammy yet. Corey Seager, number to 199. Yeah, John. Select will go out Monday. I was going to sort it tonight. It shouldn't take that long. Did a ton of football, so it's pretty much the same stuff. All right, and Jay Bruce on the bat relic for the Mets. Might be a 180 top loader. I just don't have any sitting here for that chicken. I'll make sure it's good to you. Buster Posey out of 99 on the gold press proof. Yeah, it'll get to you by then, John. You'll probably have it by Wednesday. All right, man, not too bad. Best hit of the night. Thanks, Rick. Thanks, Michael. All right, let me move this to the side so I don't